I'm so excited. This is our first cut. Welcome to our new Bunnie Cakes YouTube channel. Let's see how this rolls. Hi guys, my name is Mariana Cortez and I'm the founder of Bunnie Cakes. This is the first video of our YouTube channel. And where I'll tell you all the story, the secrets, and the behind the scenes of our brand. I'm gonna decorate the spring garden cake, which is a customer favorite and a bestseller in our shop. So back in 2009, I had this brilliant idea of baking vegan cupcakes because my oldest son was turning 2 and he really needed a vegan cake. He's allergic to dairy. So when I started looking for vegan cakes, I found several places where they were willing to do the cake for me, but the cake was so ugly. The first time I did a vegan cake, it was so frustrating process. So after 3 months of just trial and error, I finally found a good or a perfect recipe, which I named my Bunnie Cakes recipe. I started selling them in different places and I found my passion. I quit my full-time job and I started doing cupcakes and selling them wholesale. At this point in my life, I'm really happy that we have a retail location. We have our cupcakes and products in all the Whole Foods in Miami-Dade. So after a few years working from home and baking from my home kitchen, I opened in 2013 the first retail vegan bakery in Miami. It was really amazing and spectacular. We were received with so much love. In 2015, I received my first famous call and it was no other than Beyonce asking for vegan cupcakes. Beyonce, please subscribe to my channel. I hope that you like the cupcakes that we have made for you. Another cool story that I have is with this cake. A customer called asking for a cake with flowers. She sent me all the flowers and she told me, I have no idea how to make this. Can you please help me? And we came up with this idea and I think it came out pretty cool. This is one of the best sellers at the online shop. You can find it and see it online on our website, bunniecakes.com. And the coolest thing is that you know that everything we do, it's vegan, it's kosher, it's organic, it's free of the main common allergens and peanut free. So that means that it's school friendly and you can share it with all of your friends and you can take it to school. And during all this year, we have been developing a new product where I can be able to share all my passion, love, and my product with all of you. Right now, you are able to find and to bake Bunnie Cakes or the beauty of Bunnie Cakes right in your house with our new product, which is the ready-to-bake vegan cake batter. This is what I use to make this beautiful cake. I'm basically just frosted with our vegan buttercream and top it off with this dry, beautiful flowers. And this is, woo, voila. Thank you so much for following me. Make sure to like this video, make sure to follow us on social media, and make sure to continue looking at the channel because we're bringing you the best at the most beautiful recipes and the most beautiful and easy, simple designs for your vegan baking. Remember, you can bake this cake at home with my ready-to-bake vegan cake batter. You just need to order online in our website, bunniecakes.com. I think this cake is perfect. It's beautiful, it's finished. ¿Quién la quiere? Who wants it?